We're trying to improve the industrial-based trade skills in the country and get kids, students, adults interested in trade. This is a Department of Defense program. They have sponsored the program, and Project MFG is basically trying to help the Department of Defense achieve increased trade skills in the U.S.
Currently, we offer a 2-year associate's degree, and in that short 2 years, we have a lot of curriculum that we got to teach our students. But this competition now has proven that we need to take our students to the next level.
By being involved with Project MFG, it gives us a chance to see what industry really wants. And if that's what they want, that's what we're going to teach our students, and we can develop our curriculum around that.
I got involved in manufacturing in high school. I wanted a class that I could work with my hands. I found it down in the shop. I was always good at math and science and was not so great at English and those type of classes. It's a lot of fun, the competition is. I've got to know my friends better. I've got to know the machines better. Got to play with some fairly complex parts, and I enjoyed every second of it.
I'd been taking welding classes, engineering classes, stuff like that through high school. I started machining senior year. Came here, was gonna do welding, ended up doing machining first, loved it. Started competing in skills while I was here as an actual student, getting experience that way, making stuff. I use the ZEISS for a lot of our stock prep for the first competition. The Calypso software is pretty great. I mean, once you learn it, it's pretty easy if you know anything about GD&T.
There is a great economic value for a student leave here with a pretty well-paid job with no financial debt load. So the student benefits, their community benefits, because now they have somebody in the community that's well-paid and bringing income back into the community. The family overall benefits, because now they don't have this huge debt load that they may have had they gone through a traditional educational program. Some folks just love to weld. Some folks just love to work with their hands. There's the glory, there's the passion of doing this.
ZEISS has been involved with Project MFG since the beginning, which was about 2 years ago, and we are the preferred metrology sponsor. So what we do is we actually help facilitate the students' learning with our metrology software and hardware, as well as we contribute in the judging and the metrology measurements that are done on all of the students' parts. Students either come from a background in a 2-year technical degree or a 4-year university, but either and all are welcome to participate in Project MFG. The importance of metrology in the competition is to not only give students an understanding of what it is, but also give them some exposure to the machine as well as the software, so they come in with a bigger understanding of advanced manufacturing. It's also important because we can have these students make these parts in the allotted amount of time, but if they aren't correct or to the certain specification, it's not a real-world example of what they may be facing.